In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to add questions to an Edpuzzle video so you can keep students engaged and check their understanding while they watch. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and make sure you are on your teacher account. Now, in the left side area of your navigation dashboard, I want you to click My Content because this is where all your content live, especially your videos. As you can see, you have your quizzes, slides, playlists, and projects, but of course, we are hovering to the videos. Now, here, click the video that you wanted to add some questions, okay? For example, this one, I am going to click on it, and then what will happen is you will be forwarded to the editor itself. Here, all I have to do is super simple. You see that there is an option that says edit. I want you to click on it. From here, you have multiple options that you can do with your video. Of course, what we need to do right now is just to add questions. Okay, so you have options here. You can choose a multiple choice question, an open-ended question, or a note. It's up to you. In the meantime, if you wanted, you can also generate questions using an AI. But I don't suggest that. What I'm going to do is click an open-ended question, type in your questions, and then you can also add an image if you want to make it more engaging. Click the icon. You can drag your image here or upload from your device. You want to make sure that the images are those supported files. Okay? You can also paste an image URL here. After that is click the save button, and once you are happy with the question that you have added, click the finish button. And basically that's it for today's video on how to add questions to Edpuzzle video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.